Asterisk is arguably the world's most popular VoIP system, and today we're going to show you a worked example of how we run tasks on Asterisk. Now, our logs show us that the phone system is our most attacked server, and attacks are running typically 6 per minute. Due to the risk of compromise, we keep this system on its own network with a single interface to a dedicated internet connection. Internally, only our dog food system can access the Asterisk PBX. Now, this is a practical example of what we call security cells. Our sales and marketing teams need to know both the performance of our internal sales and that they are making outbound calls in accordance with GDPR. Every week, we used to run a database query into a CSV file that needed to be processed for each person, then the team leader and the managers for each department. So, on the basis that if you do something 3 times it's a candidate for automation, we automated it.
The Asterisk PBX is a specialised distribution of Linux pre-built with the VoIP application. The Call Record Database is well secured, and fail to ban has been set to an aggressive 2 tries and 24-hour jail period. The environment to access the database is on the Asterisk system. Firewall rules prevent external database queries, so as a solution, we needed to be able to trigger a task on this system but hold the privileged credentials on the Osirium system. We especially wanted to avoid having credentials embedded in any scripts or even in memory space. Here's the code for the Asterisk query. We're using a simple getPass function to accept the password, and on this line we set it to none regardless of what code path is taken. The query code accepts parameters for the user and the file to be generated. Both these will be provided by the Osirium task engine. Let's have a look at the Osirium template for this task. The code here is split across 3 commands. The first to kick off the query code, the second to deal with success or failure criteria, and the third to retrieve any results. See how the second command here can deal with incorrect input. Now let's have a look at this template in the PBX Platform context. The template is attached to the PBX server, and we can see this task, Get Call Stats. This table here maps people to extensions, so these are the only legal values that Osirium will deliver to the query code.
Let's look at the user experience. The user identifies with the PXM platform using the PXM client. Now today we're using the Mac OS X version. This is how they see the task. Here's the drop downs for the possible inputs, and now let's run the task. The results are available right here, and the historical results are available through this UI. What's important is that the results are in the Osirium environment and have been cleared off the PBX system. And remember, the users have been able to issue this task from a network that has no direct access to the PBX system. There you are, moving privileged tasks to the hands of the users that need the results most. No more tedious queries for our sysadmins, the audit is automatic, and the security is perfectly preserved. That's a business task, job done tick. If you'd like to have this kind of robotic privileged task automation in your organisation, please get in touch.